Who's there? Oh, it's just you. Don't sneak up on me like that. Hey, do you need any Purell? I had to kill a mother of 4 for this. No, more for me then. With this virus going around, you don't know who to trust. It's pretty dangerous. We should stick together. Stay clean. And we can survive. You know, people are kind of getting out of hand with this. It's not really that bad.